Hey y'all, I'm Gertie and this is Goldie, and today I'm really excited to show you a quick makeup routine that's perfect for every busy mom. I'll be using Elevé Cosmetics, which is a non-toxic beauty line. I'm going to start by prepping the face with Elevé Essential. The formula is super gentle and lightweight, but this packs a powerful punch. Start by applying a lightweight foundation all over your face and neck. I love using my hands because the warmth really melts everything in, and it's going to give me the most natural skin-like finish. Sweep on some liner, and I love to wing it out a little at the end. Prep the eye by applying a neutral base eyeshadow all over the lid. I prefer this light, pretty pink tone for every day. Dust a neutral brown across the crease and blend. Pop on a coat of mascara. If you have an extra second, add the same shadow you used in the crease underneath the lash line. Frame your face by filling in the brows. Filling in your eyebrows is one of those beauty steps where a little bit of effort goes a long way. Don't skip it. Brighten up those dark circles with concealer and blend. Dab it in with your finger to keep it right where you want it. Dab a little of the concealer to the chin, nose, and forehead to highlight. Set with powder. Pop on a cream blush to the cheeks and lips. Add the finishing touch with a setting spray to keep your makeup in place all day long. And there you have it. You can get this look in 11 minutes or less. Thanks for tuning in.